Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am making my own version of Chico's tacos. I'm going to attempt to make this famous recipe. Fingers crossed, I hope it turns out good. Obviously it's not gonna be anywhere close to it, but I mean, it tastes similar. So yeah, you guys are gonna watch me attempt to make Chico's tacos. So to make the sauce, I'm just boiling 4 Roma tomatoes, a white onion, and I added chicken bouillon and the tomato flavored one as well. So I'm gonna let that boil. And then over here, I'm browning my ground beef. I'm only doing a little bit because it is just me and Jose that are gonna be eating this. So yeah. Oh my god, guys, my suegra and Jackie just came in clutch right now. They brought me some tortillas. For some reason, I thought the ones that I had here were still good, and I guess they were bad. They're like super crunchy and gross already. So I texted Jackie. I was like, hey, do you guys have tortillas by any chance? And yeah, they came and they brought me some tortillas. So now I'm gonna roll up these taquitos, and I'll show you guys how I do that. Okay guys, so this is actually kind of really hard. I'm having like the hardest time ever. So I got my tortillas. I like steamed them so they could like stick when I roll them. So yeah, I'm just gonna fill them up with some meat and then just roll them real quick. I don't want to put too much meat because then I don't want them to be like thick ass tacos. Guys, I'm such a freaking failure. I can't believe I did this. So I started pouring all of my stuff, my tomatoes, onions, everything into the blender, and it started leaking juice, and I was like, what the fuck? And it turns out that I didn't have the top screwed, well, the bottom screwed on right, so everything started pouring out. I'm so freaking sad. I have to clean this mess up. Oh my god, nothing is going right, guys. Send help. Okay, these are what the flautas are looking like. I kind of got the hang of getting them rolled up. And then this is what the sauce looks like. I guess the consistency is okay. I think I might add a little bit more water just to make it a little bit more like caldoso. Okay guys, so this is what they look like. Honestly, it looks pretty legit. And now I'm about to taste them. Guys, I'm gonna be so sad if they don't come out. Like, so sad. They're honestly not that bad. I feel like it needs a little bit more chile. If I would have put in maybe like a jalapeno or something, I feel like it would have been better. But yeah, they're pretty good, guys. They're honestly not that bad. They're super easy to make. They're kind of time consuming. But yeah, they're pretty good. They're not that bad. Also, I didn't make any of the green salsa because I don't like the green salsa on my tacos, and I didn't make french fries because I don't like french fries with this, at least. So yeah, I hope you guys try this. This was pretty easy. And what else? Yeah, I think that's it. My mind went blank. I made like over maybe like 15 tacos. So yeah, some of them, like at first, if I would have known that I had to steam the tortillas for a long time, I feel like it would have been easier in the beginning, because at first I only steamed them for maybe like 30 seconds and I was like, what the fuck, they keep breaking. But then in the end, I ended up steaming them for like about 1 minute and 30 seconds, and they started sticking and like rolling up better like that. So yeah, that's a tip. Steam them for a while. And yeah, other than that, they came out pretty good, other than the fact that I dropped the fucking water from the tomatoes all over the place. This came out pretty good. I would definitely do this again, but next time switch it up, and like I said, add a jalapeno. So yeah, I hope you guys try this out. Let me know if you guys do, and tag me if you guys do recreate this. I want to see how yours came out or what you guys did differently. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.